Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video on the NMC Galaxy channel. Today guys, we are going to be playing some more Jailbreak with the one, the only, Jalonik F.
Yay! Okay, I got a key card, and I got it before you join the game.
Show me, Jalonik, show me the new, escape.
Oh, okay, follow me.
Wait.
No, there's also a package escape. I'm gonna show you the package escape. Then we're gonna go to the bed escape, okay?
Alright, wait one sec.
Here's the package escape, right here.
Wait, I can't. Oh, so it's here?
Yep. Isn't it cool?
Oh.
So you open it, and then you leave. Don't! Come back!
I am.
Okay, let's go, Let's go to the bed escape. Follow
Okay,
me.
Jalonik, show me the, why do you, dude,
Sorry!
dude, I need to, okay, Jalonik,
You should run.
I know I am.
Follow me.
Alright, Jalonik, I'm
You
gonna,
need to go downstairs. Oops, wrong side.
okay, wait.
I'm coming!
I'm coming, dude!
Stand, jump.
I don't care. Okay. I'm sad that this one of my Jalonik.
Okay, here it is. Here's the new vent escape. Should we just get some guns? Let's get some guns.
Okay. Can you open it for me? Thanks.
I got a shotgun.
Wait, I can't. This pistol isn't letting me take it.
Click it.
Oh, click. I thought. I keep thinking it's the E.
Wait. Click the shotgun too.
No, I haven't bought it yet.
How many money do you have?
Oh, I can't even buy it yet.
You have enough.
I can't even buy it yet. We need to go to the gun shop, but I don't want to.
Okay, follow me. Crawl.
Wait,
and climb.
Okay.
Climb up this.
Okay,
Sorry.
Jalonik. Ooh.
Isn't it cool?
Wait, so where do we? Oh wait, I've been. So where do we?
Crawl.
Jalonik.
Just run. You don't need to crawl.
It's kind of glitchy for me.
And then you can go over there.
Okay.
Go through.
Wait. Oh, I'm so
And then
stupid.
you're out.
Jalonik, I'm so stupid.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
No. Okay, let it come. Kill it.
Wait. Oh,
Kill him. Yay.
I think I might.
Got it. You got his gun.
Wait, dude. I see his key card. Don't take it.
I'm
One
not
sec.
taking it. I already have a key card. Let's take his helicopter.
Okay, got it. Wait, dude. Wait. I'm not in. Okay, I'm in.
Let's play some music.
Jalonik, go. I'm playing some music.
Okay, I'm gonna play some music.
Oh, I love it. I love your skin, Jalonik.
Thanks. Okay, I'm gonna go play some music.
Jalonik.
Okay, I'm gonna play this song, buddy.
Hey, do you wanna stop at the criminal base so you can get a car?
Sure.
Wait, dude. Look at me. Oh, look at me. Just go. Go.
Get in.
No, dude, I'm roped on.
Get in.
Dude, just go. I'm roped on.
I'm trying.
Uh-oh. Dude, stop. My thing's glitched. Dude.
I'm coming.
Drop down the rope.
In here. It's here.
Oh, I'm here. Stop. Don't, not yet. Wait, dude.
Over
Go down. Okay. Wait. Okay, I'm on. Go.
Did you like it?
Yeah. Okay, dude, I'm gonna be the gunner.
Gun shop?
Dude, no, just head to the...
Okay, let's go to criminal base.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna spawn my car. Let's go.
Yeah, I need my car too. Wait, dude, look, I need my boss car.
No, the boss car is slow.
But I don't have any other cars.
Oh my
Jalonik.
God, okay, I'm gonna spawn my car.
I only have the pit. Wait, you can spawn it?
Yeah, you can spawn them now.
How?
Do you have mobile garage?
No.
Oh, then you can't spawn it.
Okay.
But you can spawn your car.
How?
Go to the garage. Wait, one sec.
Yeah.
I need to get Lightning Queen.
Lightning McQueen.
Isn't it weird? But look at the wheels.
Yeah. Okay, so dude, go to the garage so I can spawn it.
There it is. So just go into. It's occupied.
Okay. No!
That noob. They removed the windows. It's this criminal. It's a criminal.
Dude, I can't get in.
It's a
Oh, wait, well, okay, I'm in.
It's a criminal. He's just customizing his stupid Lamborghini. It's a rainbow.
How do you know?
Because I see through the window right here.
I don't see any window.
Right here.
Oh, okay.
Now he changed the police skin.
Is he almost done?
It's like like he's my sister.
Just head to the criminal base that's here. Go here, okay?
Why? You can't spawn cars in criminal base.
No, but the boss car's there.
Oh, okay.
Boss car's there.
And then we should let's just.
No, dude, the boss car, you can be the gunner.
I know.
You can be the gunner, and that's what we can do. You can be the gunner, and it's like, hey, get out of the way, son. Oh, wait. Oh, sorry. Abandoned. You seriously
I'm
shot.
gonna play on the radio on the car and you drive it. Okay? So let me customize it and put the radio on, okay?
Okay, is it okay if I'm gunner?
No, I'm gonna be the gunner. I'm just gonna customize it
Okay.
and put the radio on.
Okay.
And then we just get dressed.
Okay. Oh, wait, 1 sec. I haven't gotten dressed yet. Dude, we're like all hyped. Wait. Oh, yeah. You know this is my style.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
I'm the gunner.
Okay, I'll be driver.
Okay, go.
Wait. No. Okay, so, Jalonik, where do you want to head, bud?
Bank. I have a car.
Bank. Okay, let's go.
It's in the coupe.
I have a bit of rocket.
Okay, it's in the coupe. Busting not the shoot.
Oh, dude, look at those awesome drifts, Jalonik. Just look at that.
What? Drift.
Wee. Oh, Sonny!
Oof.
Don't do it all the
Oh
time.
my god.
Wait. Oh!
It's the firefighter!
Oh,
Wait, is
hashtag
that
suck.
actually a cop? Is that it? Oh, I think it's a cop.
Uh-oh. Because it didn't show up on the screen, so it might have been...
I think the cop died for some reason.
Yeah, because nothing showed up on my screen.
Yeah, me too.
And, okay,
It
dude,
was a fire truck.
wait, dude, wait 1 sec. Look.
Oh, Big is closed. Try a jewelry store.
Okay. Wait 1 sec. Oh, no, sorry. I accidentally pressed space. Ugh!
You're bad driver. Can I try?
One more done, okay?
Skirt when you get to the...
Okay, wait 1 sec. Skirt!
Let's see how much Robux I have. I want to set a party for the server. Oh, I can't. I don't have enough Robux.
Dude, oh no, it's closed.
Oh, but you always die on that. Okay, let me drive.
No, I've actually never died. I've died on this only once.
Yeah, the time before the jeweler floors.
Okay, wait. Dude,
Where's
you
the
want
go?
the Mr. Me?
Let's go to museum.
Okay, museum. Dude, if anyone stands in my Jalonik, if anyone stands in my way, face my wrath. You know, I'm a pretty good gunner. The bad thing is like you can't like turn like around.
I'm a good driver.
Stay big, money up my nars. No, this is not a sponsored video.
I'm gonna take some rocket fuel once we escape the museum.
Wait, so is it already being robbed?
I think it is. Oh yeah, it is.
Hurry!
Just run.
Wait, I can't get out. Is your car locked?
No, it's not locked.
Dude, lock it, otherwise it'll fade.
Oh, don't worry, I can just spawn it.
Oh, right.
I need a
Okay, dude, I'm in.
Oh no! Get in!
Dude, I am in the museum.
Me too.
Okay,
Let's go.
wait, dude, I'm trying to take stuff.
Me too.
Jalonik,
What?
this is gonna be a suicide mission for me. Because it's so hard for... I am dead. I am so dead. No, I am dead. No, I died.
Oh, I'm alive.
Jalonik.
At least I still have this one person so I can escape.
Wait, Jalonik, is it okay if you,
You almost killed me, this guy!
Jalonik, if you get out and get the money, is it okay if you give some to me?
Sure.
Okay, thanks.
I wonder how much money. I hope it's even.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the other side so I can pull
okay.
it. I'm talking to the other
Okay, dude,
people.
it's okay. I'm just gonna take my own car. Is it okay if we take my car this time?
No, like I wanna drive. I just wanna
Okay, how about this? How about I customize my car, except you can drive?
pull.
Okay? I'll
I
come.
said pull at the same time like this guy.
Do you
he
mean-
looks, he looks so weird. No,
That
no,
was-
no! I escaped.
You did?
Yep, I'm going.
Wait 1 sec. I'm gonna customize my car real quick.
It's
And that's seriously. Oh, it's not glitched, Jalonik.
what?
My car is like glitched in the ground.
Oh.
Okay, I'm
I
in.
can rocket you out of here. Goodbye. I ran out.
Oh,
Oh, jewelry store's open.
wait, dude, I'm exiting garage. Wait, come on. Okay, dude. Okay, dude. Wait, the bank's open.
I know! The bank is open, but
Dude.
I think we're the only ones who have the key card, so we're lucky. And the jewelry store's open.
Well, you mean you're the...
Let's do bank.
Okay, bank. I'm coming, bro. Look,
Okay, I'm here. I'm coming. Ah, you don't know that.
seriously.
I went past you. I'm gonna kill that cop over there.
Dude, come on, come on.
There's a cop. I need to get my money.
Okay, do that and then
I'm
meet
gonna
me at
kill
the bank.
Guy. I'm gonna kill this guy. Oh
Okay.
no, I can't. I don't have anything. Run! I need to run. No, I'm gonna go.
Did you get arrested?
Ah! This guy's shooting me. I'm going to the water. I'm going to the water.
Okay, dude.
I'm going into the secret criminal base, so they won't die. Phew. They don't have any levels, so basically I'm fine.
Okay, dude. Okay, okay.
I escaped.
Okay, dude. I'm at the bank.
Okay.
Do you have?
I'm gonna appear my torpedo.
Where's your key card?
Oh, I still have it.
Okay, come.
I'm not here. I still don't have my money yet.
Oh wait, is there a guy who has a key
Okay,
card?
got my money. I got 4,000. That's the
Wait, one sec. This guy has a key card.
Oh,
I'm
no,
in.
No, don't go in. Don't go in. No, you missed it without me. I'm
No.
just gonna go in this stupid Camaro.
Wait, one sec. I'm just placing dynamite.
Oh yeah, you're placing dynamite. What is it? Is it the presidential?
I don't know.
Show me.
Wait, one sec. I'm here.
Look at your screen.
Dude, look.
Oh, it's the mint.
I'm doing the mint. Dude, look. I got the money.
I know a glitch.
What?
In the mint. You could go into that money machine thing.
Wait, do you get a lot of money?
No, it just shows.
Then what's the point, Jalonik?
It just shows. It's cool. It's just cool. That's all. Oh my god, a cop. It's a bad
Come on. Wait,
I'm coming in my stupid Camaro that I don't even know what to name it.
Jalonik,
I'm
I'm so close. I've almost got 2,500.
I'm coming. This guy doesn't shut the door.
Jalonik,
Don't leave.
No, dude, I just collected all my money.
Let me show you the glitch.
No. Okay, fine.
Okay, go to the vault.
This?
Yeah, no, the vault right here. Where you collected your money.
Okay, fine. Wait one sec.
You see those money bags in the corner?
Yeah.
Crawl, right here.
Okay.
Oh, they patched it! Oh, right here.
Right here?
Yeah, right there. Crawl.
I am.
Right here.
Oh,
Follow
dude.
me. You just...
Wait, dude, now I can... Oh, I can't stand.
Okay, here. Now, come out. Go over here.
I'm coming.
Here it is.
Wait, dude, this isn't... But, dude, we need to get out before the bank closes.
Yeah.
I'm getting...
Okay, quick.
Jalonik, I'm going.
Me too. I'm right behind you, you know.
Oh, you are, Jalonik?
Yeah. Okay. I'm in the vault too.
No one saw anything.
No, don't run! Away, because it'll stop the robbery and everything.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
'Cause
Come
I
with-
get my money.
Come with me. I won't go out yet. I won't go out.
No. I have the double cash, so I have 4,500.
Okay, dude, come with me. Come on.
No, I didn't get the money.
Dude, some other guy came out. Another guy came out.
Yeah, that stupid guy.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna spawn my fastest car that I have. What?
Okay, the video has to end. The video has to end right here. I'm sorry.
Okay, goodbye.
Now, guys, if you guys enjoyed today's video, remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That is going to be all for today's video. Over and out.